I already changed mine and I didn't even say anything. It might be because I haven't got a voice though. Maybe I'm the voice of freedom, whoever that guy is. Why are you taking cover behind a dead bloke? That's not very fair. Oh, hi. You're very unintelligent. AI? More like AUI? Artificial unintelligence. Oh my god. There's just everywhere. Twats everywhere. Follow Connor. Everyone suddenly died. Yeah. I don't want this anymore. Junk. No, get out of the way, dead bloke. Yeah, whatever. Are there any newspapers around here that I can nab? You know, if the... whatever, that chair appeared. If the world ever regains its sanity, newspapers will tell the story of the days. Oh, where am I? Oh no, they're doing it all. Stealing all the experience. It's alright, I'm just looking for reading material. What's the point of this little side path? Who did?
Who should we shoot?
Everyone.
Shoot them all.
Yeah. You know. What? Where have you gone? Oh, hello. You know, just taking a rest in the middle of a big battle. Perfectly fine. All the maps just look like someone threw in a bunch of objects and didn't bother positioning them in any good way. Probably because it's war. So, you know, people aren't exactly neat and tidy. Look at all this. What a mess. What's that? Just another rifle. Riot. It's a good game. Doesn't exist. I don't even know what that means, suppressing fire. Yeah, kill the truck. Ah.
Area's clear. Keep moving.
Keeps wobbling. It's like someone's having sex in it. Whatever.
Got another one.
What was the point of sneaking through all that if we're just going to fire them all anyway? It's not like it's hard. Hang on, sir. God. How inconsiderate to shoot me while I'm reloading. Hey, look. That's cool. No, it isn't actually. These guys are just having fun. Oh, okay. Can there be something in here? Oh shit! Oh, I thought it was a RPG. Well, my life's ruined.
Okay, I got it.
What? What's going on over here? What a rubbish game. Ah. Oh. I don't think they expect me to be watching the NPCs and how they react with the enemies. Why is this not reloaded? What's the point? Park. Oh.
Guy in that tower.
Where? Up. Don't run into the explosion, silly lady. What we got over here? Oh,
That ought to be the last of the RPG team.
how do you know?
Come on, we're taking the road.
Okay. Didn't you say not to?
Last time.
Fuck 'em! If there's any patrols, we'll just kill them. We'll have to kill it then, won't we? We'll kill it with Goliath. Oh wait. Some idiot blew it up instead of the gate. I guess it was a reinforced gate, pardon me. But we needed an extra explosive power. Is there anything over here? No. Orange Hill. Unless it's green, I don't know. Whatever it is, it's bright, with a big black splodge in the middle.
We need some cover to even get near that heli.
Here we are. Good job there's lots up there.
We should be able to see everything from that bell tower.
Oh, I'm sorry, I just have to explore this.
Perfect spot for you, Jacob.
Oh, yeah. Newspaper in the graveyard. Oh, archivist, what's that? Oh, find 30 of them. Nom! Cool, cool. An achievement is always nice. I do like me some achievements. Some Chivos. Chivos! Buy some today for your breakfast. Does sound like a cereal, doesn't it? Chivos. Probably because it's got O's on the end. Like Wheatos.
We're gonna
Cheerios.
scout ahead.
Yeah, you do that.
Jacobs, climb up to the bell tower and provide overwatch.
What bell tower?
See you on the other side.
Okay, bye. Have a good day. This is twats. I'll do it all myself. Ah! What's going on out here? Oh. Uh-oh. A sniper assault rifle. What? Where's he buggered off to now? I don't know. Oh, for fuck's sake. Stupid tiny gap. Whoa! So much for heavily guarded. Oh, saw that. It's not very heavily guarded at all. Come on! God, I was in just the right position as well. Oi, I killed everyone. Oi! Oh, you just shot me through the blara. Through the blara. Oh, I don't want it. No, I don't. Hang on, everyone in there. Nom 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 nom. Enter the church. Whoa! I've entered it deeply. Oh! Cool. A shotgun. I'm gonna use that in here. Cool. Something. M16. Yum. With a grenade launcher. Oh, you made me leave my sniper rifle behind. In a room where it would have been useful. Oi, get out of there. Hello? Odd. Oh, I guess he's despawned. Yeah, I guess so. Haha! Oh, good. You see, that's why I don't like using grenades in games, because they just run away. Oh! Get to cover! I have... Oh, I thought that was an explodey barrel. Be off. Thought I saw an head up there. Hi. Oh, what? Oh. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh, 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 fuck. Is there a newspaper in here? By any chance? Better be, because it's very out of the way. Nope. Nope. Oh. Waste of my talents.